Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn butterfly method. So here are some examples for multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. Now we are going to solve this multiplication. How we do it? Like this and like this. So how much it will come? 4 by 12, because 1 into 4 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So 4 ones are and 4 3. The answer is 1 by 3. This is a very simple technique using the butterfly method. So now division. This is the another technique for the division, like this and like this. Okay. So how much will come? 8, 4, 2 fours are 8, 3 into 1, 3. So division, no, this one. So that's why we'll keep like this. 8 division 3. So another one is we are taking a subtraction. So subtraction using our butterfly method like this and like this. So since it is subtraction, we'll keep subtraction symbol here. 5 2s are 10 minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 in the numerator. 3 5 is a 15. So denominator will be 15. So this is the addition. For addition, how we will do it? Like this and like this. So this is the addition. So we'll keep like this. 8 plus 3, because 2 fours are 8 and 3 into 1 is 3. So we'll do like this. 8 plus 3, how much? 11. 11 by 12. So this is a very simple technique for butterfly method. So hope it will be useful for you. Thank you for everybody. Subscribe.